And Kevin going. There goes Mario behind. So, now Pete up there, look with his really like Ian Gallagher and his mate. How high does he go before he releases? 3:30. Oh, he's got a meter reading the height, has he? My colleagues in the RAF be doing that nut. He said 3,500. Oh, that glider. Is coming down at a high angle of attack. 10:45, then you go in the bar if you wish, where there's a band be playing there, and they're closing at 12:15. Got 50s, 60s, 70s and 80s music there tonight. That's the tug down. Father and son going by here today. As going by here now, look. Herman and his son Alex. Nice flying, boys. Thank you for the day. Thank you, Commissioner. Keep your paperwork copy. Thank you. Mario. Brilliant. Weston landing. Right to his feet, ladies and gentlemen.